Hello guys, this is your boy Andy the FXR. Today I'll be looking at Nasdaq for the upcoming week. So I'm on my H4. I'm on my H4 time frame. If you go to daily chart, as you can see that Nasdaq it's a downtrend. It's going down, it's down. So let's look for the upcoming week, what we have, what is gonna be happening. I'm using smart money trading to trade. So when you are trading smart money, the important things that you need to look for. The thing that you need to look for, you need to look you need to find the trend of the market first. And then the second thing that you need to do, you need to find the market structure. Then after you found the market structure, you need to find the break of structure. Then after you found your break of structure, you'll be finding your point of interest. So this is how I trade smart money. Okay, let me do like this. Last week, we took a sell. Last week we took a sell on Nasdaq on Friday. I mean, I'm not gonna say like that. Last week, Friday, we took a sell. The reason why we took a sell, we had a change of character here on the M15. We had a change of character. So how I'm gonna see my point of interest? This is how I'm gonna see my point of interest. This is how I founded my point of interest. So why did Nasdaq push up? So Nasdaq, what it did first, it started to take our stop losses. If I can go to H4, on H4 we have our point of interest here. You have our point of interest here on H4. Make it clear, make it try and make it accurate. Yeah. Yes, we had our point of interest here on H4. The reason why it's pulled shape because we had what? We broke the structure here. We had our break of structure. What we had our break of structure here on H4. So the Nasdaq push up and then so it's going down now. It's dropping. To me, I'm looking at H4. To me, this area, this area, this area, we have equal lows here. This is our equal lows. And then to me, if I go to daily, I haven't analyzing for the upcoming. I'm showing you for last week. So for me, this was this was my base. This was a base. This was a base. And then we had a drop. And then after we have a drop base, and it came back to our base. Then now what happened? It comes to our base. When it came to our base, it's founded what? It's founded in bearish OP, of which is the same as what is the point of interest. That's what happened last week. That's why I spotted a sell. Okay, let's go to this week analysis. Okay, basically okay, let me do like this. Okay, let's do it now. Okay, we had our change of character here. So when we had our change of character here, this is our point of interest. Our point of interest. Our point of interest. Okay. And then this is where we were looking to buy Nasdaq. This is where we were looking to buy. If you can see here, what happened here, when the market reaches our bullish OP order block, it's called our point of interest. Look how the markets reacted. You see how the markets are reacted. It tried to respect this area, but what happened is failed. I'm on M15. Then when it's failed is why it's broke. It's broke below. So what is it? This thing? Okay, it's broke our structure. So we had what? We had a break of structure here. So it's broke our structure. So when it's broke our structure, what you need to look for, what you need to look for, we need to look for our point of interest. Going to 30 minutes, let me see on 30 minutes. Okay, 30 minutes. Okay, it's broke our structure. Okay, again H1. Okay. I will mark this area has my point of is my point of interest. The reason why I mark this area as my point of interest is because before this drop happened, this is our last candle for the impulse move to happen. So this is what I'll be doing now. This is what I'll be doing now. So this is what I'll be doing now. This is what I'll be doing now. Okay. This is what I'll be doing now. So let me see. I don't usually use M5. I don't really use M5 most of the time. I use M30 for my entries. I use M30 for my entries. So you ask yourself, where do I enter my sell here on this area? So I'll be looking for my sell. I'll be selling here. I'll be looking for my sell in this price. I'll be looking for the sell in this price. I'll be looking for my sell in this price. Where do you put your stop loss? Where do you put your stop loss? Okay, let me do like this. Okay. Okay, it's like this. Simple. So this is what I'll be waiting. So this is what I'll be doing. So I'll be looking for my entry. I'll be waiting for Nasdaq to go. What is get inside my bearish order block? I'll be looking for the sell here. And then I'll be taking my profits here. And then I wait again. Then I see if the market is gonna break again. If it's gonna break again, close here, this will be our break of structure, then we'll be looking for what? For our point of interest again, and then we sell. This is how the market moves, making the higher high, higher low. This is how the market moves. Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. If you can understand the thing, there's nothing gonna stop you to trade smart money trading. It's simple. It's just that when we are trading smart money, you need to be patient. You need to be patient. I'll be making more video about smart money. I'll be going through different kind of topics. So this is gonna be my point of interest. It's gonna be my POI. This is where I'll be looking this is where I'll be looking to sell Nasdaq. This is where I'll be looking to sell Nasdaq. This is where I'll be looking to sell Nasdaq. I'll be going through more topics about smart money concepts. I'll be dropping more videos because a lot of people, they're asking questions. They need to understand about finding a structure. Another thing, you need to know how to spot different types of point of interest or different types of OPs. You need to know how to mark up the can. There's a lot of things that I'm gonna be going through, and then how to understand more the liquidity parts, and then how to see the equal highs and the equal lows. So I'll be going through that those kind of topics this upcoming week. I'll be going through deep to smart money trading so that you can understand it. So guys, please don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. So this is what I'll be looking for this upcoming week on Nasdaq. Before we go, let's see. This is another thing. This is my USDJPY. I don't usually trade the currencies, but I find them very interesting when it comes um to when it comes to trading it. As you can see here, it's broke the structure twice. So I'll be waiting for the markets, to put, hey, sorry. As I mentioned, I'll be going deep to smart money this upcoming week. I'll be making more videos, more setups, more analysis. So I'll be waiting for the markets to come and push up in this level. So what I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna enter a buy. I'm not gonna enter a buy. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna wait. Smart man is all about patience. Smart money is all about patience. If you don't have enough patience when it comes to smart money, you're never gonna win. Okay. So yeah, this is what I'll be looking for. Is what I'll be looking for in USD JPY. I'm gonna wait for my setup to play along. I'm gonna wait for USDJPY to reach my point of interest, and then it's where I'll be looking for a sell. So guys, I'll be going through a lot. I'll be going through most of the topics next week. So I'll be going through next week, and then I'll be giving more setups. I'll be sending more setups. So this is what I'll be looking at Nasdaq. I'm gonna wait. For a trend to reach my POI. Then after that, I sell. So guys, more videos to come. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's make money together. As I mentioned, that I'll be going through to a lot of types of different kind of topics um in about smart money trading, because most of people have been asking me questions. What are the equal highs? What are the equal lows? How to spot the equal lows? How to spot equal highs? What is the change of character? People have been asking me a lot of questions. So I'll be going through those topics this upcoming week. Thank you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button.